Yellow lies kissing our lips unseen. Daylight doesn't hide our purple scars. Who are we but colored grids of colored girls? Black, broken baby dolls with chewed pink fingernails, pregnant with graduating mistakes, hoping during sidewalk strolls that this time will be the right time, although time has told us to hold on. Be patient in the realm of thy heart, be mindful, be scared, be timid, green with envy, be angry, be full of legs that fall open during the 2 a.m. rush hour. Orange glows across our face, turning into the $80 joke to be laughed at. Face your blue past before it eats your actions and kills your fallopian travel. Move up against the concrete with low stairs to the ground, protecting thy crown. Ain't no pretty round here no more. We don't want to be raped no more. Don't want to be taken no more. On our own floors, we are disrobed dishonorably until our inner dancer feels like her 1, 2, 3 is broken. We are forsaken through doors we closed off only to reopen. Our wounds are reopened in the world. We lay open with flower beds at apartment doors, creeping open and out, bellowing the sound of impending post-traumatic testing, red positives dancing on top of our T-cell count. Where were you last night, husband? And here we thought us poor black girls were supposed to be the blessing. Harlem rainbows fall heavy on bankrupted brown shoulders, smoldering after the fire has ceased. Who are we but colored grids of colored girls in search of white light, when it seems nearly impossible to locate our peace?
Wow.